Hi friends, welcome to VH Academy. Now I am going to show you how to make an eco-friendly Ganesha at home using flour. If you have children at home, don't forget to hand over this work to them. You can focus on cooking tasty prasadams. I have practiced this 5 to 10 times, so I have lots of tips and tricks. So watch this video carefully till the end. Once you watch completely, keep pausing the video and prepare with me. So let's get started. I took 1 cup of wheat flour to prepare this idol. You can also take mix of maida rice flour or maida turmeric powder. Let us prepare with wheat flour now. Wheat flour dough should not stick to our hands. Please mix the dough that is not too soft or too hard. Once dough is ready, prepare balls as shown in the video. Please pause the video and prepare all body parts. If you need big Ganesha, please take more flour and prepare these body parts accordingly. Let's start with legs. Please roll the dough like this and curve it as shown. Now press on the end points to prepare foot. Shubhanana Gauri Manohara Priyanandana. Take stomach dough ball and place it on top of legs. Now take chest portion of dough and press a little as shown. Get it into a good shape and place it on top of stomach. Press slightly to attach to the stomach. Don't press it too hard as the entire shape will get disturbed. Now take hands, bend them as shown and stick it to chest by flattening one side of hand and press the other end of hand with thumb to get a palm shape so that it can hold laddu. Take another hand, follow the same steps that you followed for the left hand. Attach them to chest. Now let us see our Ganesha in multiple angles. You can adjust and press wherever required at this stage and get it into a good shape. You can also attach a strip of dough on the back to connect head, chest, stomach and legs for support. Now let us take head portion of the dough and prepare trunk by slightly pulling it in one direction and extend downwards until it suits your ideal size. This approach shows trunk as a natural extension from head rather than an attachment. Please place it on top of chest and stick it on back by joining dough edges. If you are making a big idol, use toothpick pieces to join body parts. Please bend trunk in curve so that its end is touching the left hand of Ganesha. That is where you keep laddu. See how cute our Ganesha is. Now take the crown and place it on top of the head. Attach it to the head properly. Now let's join ears. Take the ear portion of dough balls, flatten them a little as shown. And attach using small sticks. Use 2 sticks per ear if required. repeat the same for other ear as well. Keep laddu or modak in the trunk and hand. Carefully spot the location of eyes. Take someone's help as well because placement of eye is very important step. Use a sketch pen to mark eyes in the identified spots. You can use tilak as well. We don't need any beads here. Now use the same sketch for tilak or namam on our Ganesha's face. Now put red colored dots using sketch or tilak on the heads and ears. Time to insert tusks. Let's use toothpick pieces. Ganesha will have a broken tusk on the right side as he used a piece of his tusk while writing Mahabharata when the writing feather broke in between. Let us decorate our Ganesha with some more tilak. Use toothpick to bring texture on top of the trunk. Don't forget to keep Ganesha's vehicle wrapped near to him. Our Ganesha is ready for prayer. Here is our Ganesha with rice flour. Please subscribe to my channel, click the like button and share it to your friends. Bye bye.